Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as a microphone for your computer. It may be hard for you to find a suitable microphone, or maybe expensive. If you buy a low-cost microphones, they are not going to perform as you expect. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can exactly use your expensive mobile phone as a microphone for your computer. It's very simple and free. What you need to do is you need to go to this unveil website. I have linked down, it is in the description below, and here you need to go to that particular website on the website, and you can find out the link for you to download the software. And you need to download the software twice, on your computer and on your phone as well. So here I'm downloading the software for my computer, and then I can click open, and then I can install the software. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I can click next, and then install. I have already done installing the software, so I'm going to head over to the software directly. So before I close the window, I need to show you that we need to install the software for my phone as well. If you are using Android or iPhone, it's not a problem. You can download the software for free. And let's head over to my phone. And on my phone, I need to go to the Play Store or App Store. And then on the search bar, I need to search for unveil. And here is the app. I need to download and install the application. After it is done, I need to click open. And then I need to click this start button. And then it will be started. And before you start that one, you need to make sure that your phone and your computer are connected with the same Wi-Fi connection. And then you need to open up your computer, unveil software, and then you can go to the connection option. And then you need to make sure that the numbers are on the phone and on the computer are same, like IP address. As an example, you can open up the Zoom application, and then you can go to the settings, and then you can check that whether it works or not. Here you need to make sure that unveil is the supplier for your microphone, so then you need to check that one. Here I'm talking with my, you need to select that one, and then you can click recording. Here is that. It's very simple, and you can use your mobile phone as a microphone for your computer. Of course, you can use the software for free. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.